So Jaggu was working late. I thought why not go for a walk. So there's a dog temple nearby to our resort, and I thought why not go there and hang out. But I don't think I need to go to a temple. Look at this beauty here. Hello. Hello. What are you doing? Come here, baby. Aw, such a good boy. Such a good boy. Such a good boy. So this is Goa. By the way, it's just 2 minutes walk from the place we are staying. How cool is that? See, this is the beach and that's where we are staying. I'm resting already. Place is good, right? Very calm, very serene. I've always wanted a house next to the beach or next to a lake or something, like a beach house or a lake house. Probably I'll make it happen one day in my life. You can see how beautiful, no? Like for anything, that this is the solution, right? Any problem going on in your life, you can just drop everything and come over here and have a great time. Lovely. This beach is super clean and super calm. Like you can do yoga here, you can meditate in the early morning. I'm saying a lot of gyan, but I'm not doing it myself. Have to start something. I'm exercising, by the way. I'm learning swimming. That's great. And there are a lot of Russians and other country people here, a lot of foreigners, because this is the place where they come and stay. Actually, it's not for they're not tourists over here. They're actually staying from a long time, maybe before Corona. So they are with their kids. The entire family is here. So they are enjoying their life. Too good. Beach is so welcoming that I actually forgot where I was headed. I was going to the dog temple, sorry. Beach, I'll come back later. Before even going inside the dog temple, I already see there are so many dogs over there. So many dogs. I think we are nearing. I see it in the GPS as well. So I think we are nearby. I'm so excited. I'm scared as well. I don't know why I'm scared of dogs. I never am, but I don't know. We are actually going to enter from the back side, back gate of the temple. There are few friends, I don't know friends or enemies, who are following me. I'm a little bit scared. Hi babies. Hello. Oh god, they look a little bit scary, but I'm fine. I'm okay. Okay, I think they're saying bye-bye. There's no way for me to go. I'll ask somebody.
So, ऊपर जाओ. ये डॉग टेम्पल है. इधर से ऐसे आगे जाओगे तो आगे वाला मिलेगा.
Thank you भैया.
उधर से आ जाओ.
ठीक है. Thank you. Very nice people over here. I really love the way they treat new people, tourists, and that's very good to know because not only Indians, there are a lot of foreigners who come visit Goa. It's very important for us. It's our duty that the way we treat them, that's how they see our country as. It's very important that we maintain that. And we do not spill. We maintain this cleanliness which we can see in the Goa beaches, which is surprising and it's very good because I'm from Chennai and as you guys know I stay in Chennai. Marina Beach is like really gone case. People aren't maintaining it so well, but here even the crowded beaches are really good. I think it's not the peak time, that's why I'm able to see it very clean. Unfortunately, I don't see a way here, so I'll have to back up and go that side. Let's see. So Bhaiya is so kind, he's showing me the way. Good. Let me just shoot this entire thing so that you will also know how to get there from this beach.
not scared.
I'm not scared. I hope they don't bite.
You're not scared, then you don't. I'll bring you our postcard.
What's your name?
Michael
Michael. Hi, you're from?
from Germany.
From Germany. Okay, great. Oh, lovely.
You can roam around here, and we're going after some time for dinner. We have 4 Germans staying here,
Oh,
and it's called Dog Time, and we have 70 dogs.
70 dogs.
And they live with us in our houses, and they're free.
Okay. People adopt them?
They adopt, they rescue puppies, they make adoption camps. they make
Great, great.
rescues.
I myself have 2 dogs adopted. See, this puppy has already started. you like the shoe? You like the chappal? You want to take the chappal? Oh, so sweet. So many cute babies. This is the place to come and adopt any dog if you want to. And if you're staying in Goa or if you're from nearby, you want to adopt a puppy, this is the place. You'll find many varieties, and do respect and support the indies. As I just informed the guy, even I am having one dog adopted, a puppy. Her name is Aura, recently adopted. You must have checked it in my Instagram. If you haven't, just go and check it out. She's so beautiful. Let me just show you around how this temple looks like. Let me start with this little baby. Aww. And he really wants this chappal. You want this chappal? I cannot go home barefoot, baby. There are few dogs who are like boss dogs. Boss doggies. They're chilling here. This is supposed to be their home, not sure. Here is the dog temple welcoming you. How sweet. These people are welcoming. They're welcoming me with so much noise. I won't call it noise. What do I call it? Music? Aww. You guys look so cute. Oh, my little one. I was just roaming around and I found something really, really cute. Let me show you guys. Look at this dude. Really? You're having such a good time here? Really? Just look at that dude. Seriously. He's having a good time than me here. Oh, there are more. There are so many. There are 70 dogs, can you believe? No, don't howl, baby.
So this is Nero, one of our founders.
Okay.
This is we're on a beach walk.
Okay. Great.
And
You're doing a really great job. You work here? You stay here?
I stay in this house.
Okay.
There's Nero, and then there's one other German couple,
Okay,
Silke and
okay.
Ingo. We have 4 Germans who started this.
Oh, you guys started it?
We
Wow,
started
that's
it-
great.
We're here since 5 years, 4
Wow.
years. And now I have 70 dogs. There are too many,
I have
too many
huge
puppy
respect.
rescues.
I have huge respect. I really wish that this video reaches much people and people just start adopting dogs
Yeah.
and start helping these people out. Just look at them, how cute they are.
And people should start realizing that they deserve also.
Yeah, they also deserve the same love. They don't have to breed the dogs, they can just adopt them. So,
if you
yeah.
see any dog in need, you can reach out. And not,
Sure, definitely. I'll just put his number in the description box. So if you guys want to adopt a dog, if you're nearby to Goa, you can just contact him and he will help you out. What's the name?
Dancing.
Dancing. Hey, dancing.
The moment our only baby.
So you dance?
We had few other puppies that all got adopted. They're getting better now at adoptions.
Okay.
When we started, we didn't get homes. We didn't know how to run adoption camps.
Okay.
So we got so many dogs.
Okay.
But also it would be boring without so many dogs here.
Yeah.
It's,
So how are they? Everybody are like well trained. They are understanding you and they're working
everybody
cooperating.
does what they want. And don't listen to us.
Exactly.
Everybody
Exactly.
don't listen to us, do what they want.
You remember everybody's name here?
I remember everybody's name.
That's great.
And most of them came as puppies
Okay.
and grew up here. Many puppy rescues.
Superb. We are going to meet the
She's
great
83 years
founder.
old.
Sorry?
She's 83 years old. And
She's 83 years old.
And her
Okay. We'll go and meet her.
Her dream was always to live at the beach with lots of dogs.
Okay, okay.
And now she has this house at the beach with lots of dogs.
That's great. She is living a dream here. I wish I'll have this dream come true one day. Hi. How are you?
What do you say?
You're doing a great job. Great job.
So close to you. It was my dream, my lifelong to live and
Wonderful.
and now I made it.
I was just talking about having a beach life, you know.
What I
When it is quiet, it's a relief.
what I enjoy these moments of silence.
Yeah.
It's like the biggest gift God can give.
Yeah.
When you're all the time, yeah, surrounded by barking dogs, and one time they're quiet like now. Wow. Again,
This is rare. Niru, you take your bag.
I have
That's yours?
yes.
What's his name?
Leo.
Leo. Hi, Leo.
Leo is a rhinoceros.
Who's talking to you?
I have a jacket.
So you can, if you're two people, you can just take a train.
Yeah.
And then you can book the first class coach in the train.
The coach.
Yeah,
entire
and then you have
coach.
to book the entire coach. Like you even if you book 2 seats and then it's done. Like you just have to go 3-4 hours before and you have to go to the luggage compartment, make a booking ID for him. Before
okay.
before that one day, you can go to the vet and get like a paper that he is good and healthy to
Vaccinated, okay.
travel.
Medical certificate like that.
medical certificate.
Great.
And then you can go, no
What's
problem.
the certificate about what?
Like how to travel with dogs. So I told her you can go by train.
What about flight? If you are coming by flight, you don't have
Flight you can take them, like you have to take, but they put them in the
Oh yeah,
luggage.
they actually put them in a separate
No,
place.
they put
no?
they put luggage. Just
So
like
that's
that.
that's bad. That's
So
bad.
I don't.
I'm
prefer.
not fond of that.
Hello.
Yes, my friend.
What are you doing here? What are you
Your
doing
bag
here
is
with
here.
Indies? Huh? You're making friends?
My dog is inside.
Leo, you making friends?
Leo knows them all already.
Great.
Being
He's
alone.
he's good with other dogs, right?
Yeah.
Because he has always traveled with you.
Yeah. In the restaurant, I'll take you along.
This looks very beautiful in night time. They're just lighting it up. This is the kitchen where they cook food for these beauties. And I'm heading back to our room. Bye babies. I'll see you again. Maybe I'll definitely come again before I leave. And I'm going to take a lot of good pictures and videos of you guys, okay? Bye. So Emma has escaped.
So happy to escape.
Yeah.
Love.
Hello. Where are you going? So this is how they put them inside if they escape.
Emma, go inside. Bye bye. See you guys. I'll come back later.
Bye bye.
I'm going. I'll come later. I'll come later, honey.
So I'm going to use that way now. They were so sweet to give me these postcards, and I'll just put the pictures and they have their address and everything. Okay, I'm showing it ulta. Okay, just take a screenshot from here. Follow them in all the handles. The least we can do is support them. I think that's all we can do, because of course we cannot take all the dogs and put them in our home, but all we can do is you can just follow them, spread the word, let people know, so that anyone who's looking for a dog, they don't go for shopping, they just adopt one. I had an amazing time with you guys and these lovelies. So I'm going to take your leave from here now and figure out my way back to the room. So see you in the next video, and until then, bye.